What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we do have something interesting. Maybe the old school people might not like it, but the new school people will definitely love it. All right. And if you old school, you want to do something that is new school, then you will love this product. This is a lever nut kit. Now, you know when you put your old wires together, you use the regular little wing nuts or whatever you call them. You put the wires and you twist, shove it in, twist, shove it in. This is a 115 piece set for $22.99. This is a 36 piece for $23. So basically, this is the same amount, but you get 115 here, 36 here. There we go. It tells you the pieces right here. 2112. So 2112 is the 2-prong set, which will probably be the most common used, and the 3-prong set, which will be most commonly used. Maybe 4 and 5 may be used, but probably not as much. When I do my new smart lights and new outlets and stuff like that, this will be the weapon of choice. I don't want to use the old school no more. You have 50 of these. Like I said, these are more commonly used. 38 pieces of the 3, and then you have 15 pieces of the 14, and 12 pieces of the 5. Then you got your screws. You got 75 screws, and then you have the buckle. Opening the box. So we got our screws, and then we have our connector right here. Now I'm assuming this is for if you basically putting this on a wall, but we're not putting it on the wall. We are actually going to shove it in with our electrical unit, our outlets. So there you go. This is actually simple, not hard. You snap it on, put it on the wall, and run your wires through. That's if you're running wires on the wall. Let me get a piece of wire and try to put it in. All right, you guys, I grab a piece of my 30 amp wire. Maybe I should have used my big pliers, right? But let's see if this cobalt. Yeah, cobalt. Yeah, cobalt. Cobalt works. All right, you guys, I just wanted to test out this 30 amp. Go ahead, take a wire out the 30 amp right here. All right. Now, fits in there. Let's lift it up. All right, I think that's a little bit more than a ½ inch, but let's see. Yeah, I think I took a little bit more than a half, but you still can't see it. So it's on there pretty tight, you guys. For me to actually rip this off, I gotta pull really hard. Really hard. Y'all see? Now it's gripped real good. All right, so that's pretty good. All right. I'm sold. I need to go ahead and start using this. I like this. All right, you guys, I know y'all done looking, so let me go ahead and put it in the box, and then y'all can see for yourselves. Make sure you turn your power off. Okay, I will give y'all that notice also before I start this. Make sure your power is turned off on your circuit breaker. Simply just goes in. Close and done. Goes in. This one seems like it went in further. Close and done. All right, and I need to put a jumper from here to here, and then that will be it. Man, this stuff is good, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. All right, now I want to shove it in, I want enough wire to play around with. All right, you guys, so I am just going to knock out both of these sets right here. So we have the name brand Wago set. That's what everybody call it. Yeah, Wago set. So, of course, you see me install this and you see me install this. And I'm going to be honest, what is the difference between the two? So the difference between the two, the Wago set right here is transparent and this one is not transparent. You cannot see the wire in this set, but you can see the wire in this set. So depending on whether you have OCD or whatever, then if you want to see your wire through the set, it makes you feel more comfortable of your connection, then you will go with this set. If you really want to go cheap and just have a lot of connectors with you, then you will go with this set. You stick it in, you know if it's connected, just try to pull it out. If it don't come out, then it's connected. All right, you guys, so that will be it with basically both of these sets, but I will be dropping this review on both sides, on both videos, basically. Just to let you know, in case you're confused and say, oh, I want to get this set, or I want to get this set. Both sets are good. All right, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.